time. I'm gonna talk.
Okay, go ahead.
Nah, go ahead.
All right, he actually wants to talk this time. Hey everyone, I'm Tirf Alexius, director and executive producer of Lakay.
I'm Remo Romeo, producer, executive producer as well.
Wait, you executive producer too?
I am. Well, that's what I was told.
All right, good. Thanks for all the love. We have a new merchandise line for Lakay that's launching in about 2 weeks, with proceeds going to benefit our Haiti nonprofit.
I do believe.
Yeah, 501c3. So we're really excited about it. T-shirts are hot, and obviously we can't wear them now because, well, we don't want to give it away, but also he wanted to show his muscles.
That's not true. I haven't worked on it in over a month, so it's not about the muscles at all.
So thanks for everything. So 2 weeks, mark your calendars, new line launching for our Haiti nonprofit. Yeah, I'm excited, man.
It's gonna be show, as the French would say, show as in hot.
You
very
hot.
Very hot.
I'm so happy right now I can start doing dance like some compas or something. Who knows what compas is? You know what compas?
Compas, parlez-vous français, monsieur?
Oh, he parlez-vous français, monsieur?
Je parle français.
Thanks, guys. See you in a bit. Thanks for all the love.
All right.
I didn't want to go back, man. I would even deny it. I'm French, I'm Cuban, I'm everything but being Haitian. And then all of a sudden, I get a phone call. My mom's crying on the phone. She goes, Alexis, Haiti crasé. Essentially translating to Haiti's broken. Right away, then I realized that, oh, I have brothers there. I hadn't seen them, like, and would I ever see them again?
We went to Haiti to find our brothers. What started as a mission to find family became so much more.
So how much related to the earthquake stuff?
This is almost all non-earthquake related.
Non-earthquake.
We found destruction. Despair.
Okay.
Death. And then we found something we didn't expect. Life. Strength. Beauty. Our identities.
That's me 28 years ago?
The more we saw, we realized hope was alive.
Ça va ça? Docteur. He wants to be president of the country.
The Haitian people can't be broken. Presenting Lakay, a story of love, family, home.